What's up, Kim folks, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning Kim folks, what's up?
You bad like that, you know, but I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.
So you guys, in this video we are going to be going with just some basic makeup, okay? And y'all know I typically do my eyebrows off camera, but today I felt the need to go ahead and, you know, just add a little bit of razzle dazzle here on the channel, on this video for you guys. But if you need a more detailed eyebrow tutorial, I will go ahead and link it in the description box down below, a step-by-step, all of that. But for the eyebrows today, we are going in with the Morphe brow cream in the shade Chocolate Mousse, and then to follow up we are going to go in with the Fenty Beauty and also the Mercier concealer. Yes, I like to use two concealers underneath my eyebrow bone and to shape my eyebrows. I like to use the lighter color at the height of the eyebrow bone, and then I like to use the lighter color, or not the lighter, but the darker color at the front of my eyebrow. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and shape these eyebrows out. I like my eyebrows to be a little bit more crisp and like they have been painted on. I don't know how to, you know, do the feathered look, and I don't know if it's because one, my eyebrows are very tiny, or two, because I got them microbladed. But I can't do all the hottest eyebrow trends, so we're gonna stick with this right here. It's been gold for years now. Going platinum, okay? But if you know, you know, your girl likes to go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Y'all, this primer right here is the best. I want to say I've been using this primer since it came out, okay? I do not touch any other primer, but a little bit goes a long way. After applying our primer, we're going to go in with the Matte and Poreless foundation by Maybelline. And is it Maybelline or is it True Complexion? True Complexion, is that Maybelline? Okay, I think it's the same thing. But y'all, after that, we are going to go in with the Morphe Continuous Prep and Setting Spray, and we're going to apply that. Then we are going to go in using a fluffy brush, and we are going to press the foundation into our skin so that it gives a very, you know, natural look, no streaks or anything like that from the brush. After blending our foundation, we are going to go back in with that Fenty Beauty concealer, and this shade is 350. Of course, I will link all of the products I'm using in this video in the description box down below. I will also let you guys know the shade just in case you and I are around the same color and you need to, you know, match your shades the way that you need to match your shades, okay? So I will leave all of that information in the description box down below. But when it comes to concealer, baby, a little bit also goes a long way. Sometimes I don't know the concept of that, but I'm going to teach y'all the concept of that. All right, so we are going to add concealer to the places on our face that we just want to pop, okay? That when the sun is shining outside, we just want it to like hit our face and hit these certain spots, okay? And I typically go in with a brush to blend out my concealer. One, just because I like for it to look extremely seamless. I don't like any streaks. I don't like you know, the roundness from the beauty blender. And I also feel like when I use a brush, I can control the product a little bit more, just because y'all can see my face isn't that big. So using big things to blend out my makeup and all of that, sometimes it has makeup going in places it doesn't need to go, okay? So that is my reasoning for always liking to use a brush. And as you can see, it gives a more seamless look anyway, okay? So of course we're going to go back in with like all of our powder and all of that, but I love the results that I get from using a brush when it comes to blending. So if you're someone that's very you know, precise, and you want your product to go on and stay where you are putting it, y'all, a brush is going to be the way to go. I mean, like, just look, everything looks so good, okay? It looks so good. Now, after we have finished out blending out our concealer, I decided to go in with the e.l.f. This is concealer as well, but it obviously is a darker shade, y'all. I wanted to try and use like either like a cream or a liquid based contouring, just to try something out a little different, and this is the only thing that I had, so we are gonna try it out. Y'all pray for me. You don't have to do this at home. You can definitely stick with powder, but because I was trying to be a little different, step outside of my little comfort zone, I decided to use concealer, and y'all, this is low-key how it turned out. But don't worry, because y'all know me, I'ma fix it. I ain't gonna let no makeup look go to waste, okay? I'm gonna fix it. And the way that you fix that is you just take your foundation brush, and if you have over contoured in certain places, just take whatever product is left on the foundation brush and just kind of, you know, go over it, make it seem seamless, you know, just make sure everything is good. Now, one thing that I probably shouldn't have done was put concealer underneath my jawline, because baby, my jaw is already looking like the bomb. So that was kind of like a waste of time, but it was kind of like, yo, it's there now, let's just go ahead and do what we do. And to be honest with you guys, I know I didn't go through how to contour or anything like that, so I will do that in a later video, just because contouring and just having a beautiful base for any makeup application, whether you're just wearing it like that or you're preparing it for an eye look, the base matters, okay? The base matters 100%. But anyways, y'all, this is a little bit on how I contour my face. As you guys can see, I like to use a brush for literally everything. You know, I just want everything to just look very natural. Okay, but after we are done with our contouring, we are going to go in with the OS pink powder. Now, I am going to try another shade in this pink powder, or this OS powder, y'all. I love the OS powder, I really do, and I love the pink powder. However, I've been seeing these girls using a different shade, and I'm like, hold on, wait a minute, the pink be hitting, but let's go ahead and see like if I can grab another shade and see what that's gonna do as well, you know, because I love the pink, but let's see if we can find like a little bit more of a warmer shade, okay, when it comes to our powder, you know. But anyways, we are just adding powder, the pink powder, to all of the places that we added our concealer, just because we don't want anything to crease, we don't want anything to look crazy. And as you can see, I'm not allowing my powder to sit and bake on my face. I'm actually trying to blend it out as much as I can without messing up the rest of the makeup look. You know what I'm saying? Now, as you complete this step with adding powder, try not to get powder on all the places that you contoured, okay? Just because you don't want to go and undo what you just did, okay? So speaking of contouring, I did need to go in with my Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer, y'all. I love this bronzer. As you can tell, it takes me nothing to pick this bronzer up. This bronzer is literally thebomb.com. I'm taking this bronzer and I'm just adding it to all of those places that I contour. The goal is just to have everything looking seamless and just looking like I woke up like this, pretty much. Okay, now after we have finished with our face, we are going to go in and start working on the eyes, y'all. I am using color on the eyes. It's been a minute, but I'm getting ready to get right back into these makeup looks. Okay, we about to get into these eye looks for sure. So this is gonna be the first video of many. Okay, but anyways, to prep my eyes, I did go in with that Fenty Beauty concealer, just because I love how it creates a nice, smooth and clean base for my makeup. Ooh-wee, y'all gotta forgive my kids in the back, y'all know I got them. But anyways, y'all, that is the base. Now let's go ahead and jump into this makeup. Now, I had no idea what I was gonna do when I sat down to do my makeup, but I figured we go with something super simple and beginner friendly. So I took that brown color, which Morphe really does not have the name of the shade. So if y'all seen, and I'll also put it right here down in the bottom, this is the shade that I'm using. It is like a very coffee brown type of color, and yeah, we are just going to pop that to our outer lids, and then we are also going to just take it and whatever is left on the brush, we are going to blend it into our crease line. Okay, very simple, very easy. If you take your time, I promise you can accomplish this look. Now, after applying that that brown berry type of color, we are going to go in with this nude shade, and we're just going to pop that right onto the eyelid. Okay, we're not cutting no creases, we're not doing anything, we are just applying it right on top. And then after, we are going to take that brush, not adding any more product, okay, and we're just going to blend it out. We are going to make everything look extremely seamless and perfect, y'all. And boom, there you have it. That is the eye look right there. Now, I did go ahead and take some of that burgundy brown color, whatever color I'm going to call it these days, and I added it to the underneath my eyelash, or not eyelash, my under eye, just so that it brings the entire look together, especially because I don't typically wear eyeliner because my eyes are already small, so I don't put eyeliner down at the bottom, okay? Because when I smile, I want my eyes to open, not close. So that is the reason why I don't typically gravitate towards eyeliner. I gravitate towards more of actual color. One, because it brings a look together, and two, because I like for my eyes to be open. So I don't know, maybe I'll get into like trying a new color later on. But anyways, after applying the eyeshadow, I did go in with my liquid eyeliner from Wet n Wild, and then we went ahead and topped it with some mascara so that we can apply our lashes. And I did mascara on the top and the bottom just so that, you know, it enhances my lashes down there. You know, I just want everything just to look good, you know, look like, baby, I woke up like this, born like this, magazine looking, you know, just everything. I just want it to be very, very, this is her, okay? But after doing the eyes and putting on the lashes and everything like that, which I will show y'all how to do that in a later video, I then went in with my Sephora Golden Hour highlighter, and I just added it to the bridge of my nose. I also added it to my cheekbones and also my my chin, and I did do a little bit on my forehead, but I didn't show y'all. But I did end up going in with the Sephora Duo blush, and if this is your first time watching any of my makeup tutorials, y'all know that's like literally one of my go-to products. So I did go and add that to the apples of my cheeks just so that we could brighten them up and stuff like that. And then after, I hit these lips up with some brown lip liner from Sephora. I honestly think that it's eyeliner, but it is what it is on that. And then after, I went in with my Juvia's Place lipstick, and I can't remember the color of the lipstick right now, but of course I will put that in the description box down below for you guys so that y'all can have that information. Okay, now after your girl finished up her makeup, I went and decided to curl this little wig right here. Okay, I want to do something different. I just feel like I always wear my hair straight. I'm not doing what I need to be doing as far as styling my wigs, and believe it or not, your girl is really good at styling. Okay, so yeah, this is what we own, y'all. This is what we own. But everything turned out to look good. I will say though, this hair right here, this is Do Love hair off of Amazon. I like the hair, but the hair really can only be worn for like 2 or 3 days. I'm not even gonna play with y'all. I like the hair, like I said, for immediate wear, immediate use. But if you're someone that really likes to style your hair, curl it and all of that, this wig is just not going to work. And I say that because it couldn't hold a curl, and I didn't want to put any product on it because I didn't want it to be like crunchy or heavy or anything like that. So yeah, y'all, this is it. This is what it's giving. So if I were you, I wouldn't go with Do Love hair, but hey, that's just me. That's just me, just because when I get wigs, I look for wigs that I can wear for the long run. I want to be able to wash it and, you know, curl it. I want it to be able to hold curls if I want to do pin curls, if I want to just do like some regular, you know, wand curls, bust down with this middle part with the curls. You know, I want my hair to give what hair is supposed to give. And for me, as far as curling and styling, this hair did not give what it needed to give. Okay, but to each his own. Y'all can either, you know, take my opinion or not. But what I will say is that I think I am obviously going to leave this wig on for a couple of more days. I am going to cut some layers in it, stuff like that, and see like if it helps out when it comes to curling, when it comes to looks. I'm gonna see. So in the next video, y'all are going to be able to really decide on if this wig is a yes or no. But anyways, you guys, this is the makeup and the hair. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, hanging out with me. I really appreciate y'all's support. If you can, please give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button and also that little bell on the side so that we can stay connected, Kim folks, and I will see y'all in my next one. Peace.
You bad like that, you